what is fantasy score on PrizePicks? So if you want to know the fantasy score on PrizePicks, then first you just need to search for PrizePicks. Once you search here, you will have www.prizepicks.com, right? Simply click on that option and it will take you to the website. Make sure to log in or sign into your account. So basically on PrizePicks, you'll be able to find different games over here like NFL, NBA, NHL, CS2, soccer, NBA 1H, boxing, and other games. All these games have different aspects. Like when you go on NBA, the aspects are points, rebounds, and everything, right? You will have all sorts of different aspects, and all these aspects have some points associated with them. So when you choose a particular player and that player performs well in that particular aspect, then you will be able to get certain points. So when you select any particular game and click on this option of scoring chart and just wait for it to load, then scroll down and over here you will be able to find different points for different aspects. And here you will have your NBA scoring chart, right? So you will get 1 point for points and 1.2 for rebound, 1.5 for assist, 3 points for block, and in this way you will get some points. You'll be able to accumulate the better your chances of winning with the competitors out here. So this is how all it works. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.